Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode. In this episode it's going to be a vlog style. It's gone 9 in the morning now and I've got 3 builds to finish off. It's not enough. Hold on, let me get in. Right, so guys, like I said, this is going to be a vlog style. I hope you really enjoyed this. The last one I've done was a long time ago, and you get a little bit of a behind the scenes. You're going to get a much more relaxed, more reserved D. I've got 3 builds to finish. The car that I'm in now, my blue BMW 325i, I've actually got a buyer coming down tomorrow to get this car, so I need to finish off just a few last minute bits on this, but it wasn't enough to make an episode out of it. I've got to finish off the Corsa, the 2014 Corsa, once again, so I can get rid of that car, but you're gonna get to see just a bit of behind the scenes. I got to nip down to a few breakers. Over the years of working on cars, I've built up a nice list of breakers to collect, and they're my go-to spots. So I need to go to a few of these breakers today, collect a few bits and bobs for this build and some other builds as well, the Golf and other things like that. And you guys are just going to be riding shotgun in the vlog style. The first thing, I'm not wearing a hat, so I want you guys to get to know me a little bit better, get to know what it takes behind the scenes. You're also going to be seeing some rebuilding work as well. So there's a lot jammed into today's episode and I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, vlog number 2, let's go. One of the questions that I want to answer is, I always get asked, what is in the bag? I've always got the bag. When I've got a lot of different cars that I'm working on, I've got like 5, 6 set of keys sometimes. I've got stuff like my little microphones that I use. This is the Rode wireless system. I've got about 4 or 5 different car keys. I've got some Vaseline for my fingers and from whatever, just random Vaseline in my bag. Sometimes on the way home I stop off at the gym, so I've got my gym bit. So it's just a little utility bag, and I keep all of my bits and bobs that I need for quick, easy access whilst I'm working on the cars. So to all you guys that were asking, why have I always got the bag, what's in the bag and never take it off, that's what's in the bag. I'm gonna head down to the garage. I need to see Akil. I need to fit a few bits on the BMW, and then I'm gonna grab some parts that I bought from a breaker. They were the wrong parts, return those, then I need to pick up a headlight. There's so much stuff to do, so no more blabbing, let's just go, man, let's go. Guys, it's just gone 9:30. I've come down to my local parts store, EU Parts in Hackney. I need to get a brake sensor for the BMW, and then I'm gonna continue my journey to the garage. AE10 OCD. Feels like I've got OCD today. Trying to get all this stuff done. What you saying, Rob? How you doing? I'm alright, man. You alright? Yeah. You looking good? I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
What one is it?
Yeah, front left, I think. They're on the left hand side.
Me doing it with friends and family.
Sweet. Friends and family from EU, man.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Love it. Nice one, bro.
Really, yeah?
Yeah, man. I need it. Damage?
£9.22.
Sweet. Pay my card.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. This part normally costs 20 quid. Popped in, spoke to my guy Tony, got it for £9.22. Now we continue. Woo. Ooh. Let's stop the garage. Normally I come down to the garage, Eagle's garage. This is Akil's garage. He's kind enough to let me operate from here, do all my bits and bobs. So at the moment I'm waiting for Akil to turn up, but he's asked me to move a few cars for him, so I've got the keys. Let's check out this C63 or E63, I can't remember, and we're gonna move it around and get ready for Akil. So we've got to do that before I can work. Tunaj, the master himself. Guys, all the garages are close to each other. That's H&A. Let's go find Akil. He's around here somewhere. So he's all the way back there. So guys, I never look back. When I learned to drive, I just look in my mirrors when I'm reversing. All 3 mirrors. and that gets me to where I need to get to. Mad! Let's go see Akil. Guys, this is Angus. Angus works here. What are you saying? Alright? Nice. Akil, here's your key. Akil's the owner of the shop. I know you've seen, listen, you've seen this man on the channel all the time, but he's the head honcho here. He allows me to work in his garage. But yeah, you tired, yeah?
That's nice. You see, that's now 363 inside.
Yeah?
That's going on the door.
Bloody hell.
63 out.
Yeah? Too much work, man. There's no rest for the wicked. I'm definitely not wicked, but there's no rest for me. Anyway, I need to pick up a few bits that I left here, and we're gonna head down to the breakers, come back, get the car ready, because that buyer is coming for the blue BMW, so I need to sort that out. So let's go. Right guys, I'm gonna head to the breakers, but before I do, I need to jack the car up. I need to replace, when I go through some speed humps, you can hear a slight little knocking, and it's the stabilizer linkage. So I bought a brand new one, and I'm also gonna fit the brake sensor that I just picked up. So now that I've moved around all the cars, I've got the space to bring my car in. Now we can get to work. Right guys, that's the brake sensor, new brake sensor fitted, ABS sensor, that was a new one that I fitted before, and stabilizer linkage right there, and it goes down to the bottom right there. That's all fixed. So just need to get the wheel on like that, and we're ready to go. Now I can head down to the breakers, get what I need to get. When I come back, I'm gonna continue to assemble this car, get it all ready. So let's head down to the breakers. Right guys, so the time is now about 11 o'clock, and I haven't even, so far, it's just been back to back. This is my day. This is how my day pans out most days, so literally just back to back. I'm in the car now, I'm heading down to Romford, East London, where I need to meet a guy who runs a parts and braking shop called Sonono Parts. But what's interesting about them, they only break BMW F Series, 1 Series and 3 Series. So I think that's the F20 and the F30s or something like that. But anyway, they've got a bunch of parts that I need to get. So I'm gonna head down to see them. But before I get there, I'm gonna give this car a brand new MOT, because when I'm selling my cars, I like to give a 1 year full new MOT. And it just gives peace of mind for the customer, and it lets me know that I'm selling a car that is fully roadworthy. So let's get down to the MOT shop, quickly get MOT, and then we're gonna continue our journey to Romford. Right guys, MOT done. I've just jumped in the car. I'm about to join on to the A12, head down to Romford. After that, head back to the garage. And it's now, like I said, after 12, so half the day's gone. Before you know it, you blink and it's just completely gone. So I'm gonna catch up with you once I arrive. Alright guys, just pulled up to Sonono Parts, BMW specialist. We're gonna go inside, grab some parts, head back to the garage. All done, good to go. It's now 12:46. The day is just flying away. My wallet is getting lighter and lighter by the hour. So guys, I need you, go buy some merch, take part in the raffle, do whatever you can do if you want to support the channel. We're leaving Sonono Parts now, and I'm gonna go to another parts store deeper into Romford. It's in Rainham this time, before heading back to the garage. So I'll catch up with you guys once I get back to the garage. Right guys, so before we get to the second breaker's yard, I just wanted to share a little bit about me, D, the man himself, the legend, jokes. But yeah, just a little bit about me. So if you remember the last time I done one of these vlogs, I was saying that I had just had the baby. Well, my little baby boy, he's about to be 1. He's having his first birthday this month. Oh, he's having his first birthday this month, towards the end of the month, so I'm really excited about that. But it just shows how long and how quick that time has gone. And the reason why that's significant is around that time is when I started the channel. I was at home, I was in the lockdown. If you remember, I'm a key worker, so I'm a key worker by day, YouTuber by night. But I'm a key worker by day. I work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. And if you remember, the birthday of Salvage Nation and the birthday of my little baby is they're more or less around the same time. So it's coming up to a full year that I've been doing YouTube part-time. Going back, a lot of you wouldn't know this, but I actually grew up in Barbados. I was a tiny little island, unknown island, unless you're living under a rock. But I grew up in Barbados, and why that's significant is, as the channel grows, I've got some amazing plans to do some content over in Barbados. Over there, you've got the World Rally Championship, and a few of the stages actually take part in Barbados. They've got a crazy JDM scene over there. They've got a crazy racing scene, both road racing and you've got rally racing as well. And I just feel like we can get some amazing content over there. Some of my family members over there, they're into their boating, and a lot of them are into cars and stuff as well. So tell me what you guys think of some amazing content in Barbados, in the sunshine. And obviously I've got a lot of friends and family over there as well, so you will get some other content about the tours of the island and the beach life. It's an amazing lifestyle that you can live over in the Caribbean. So that is all to come on the channel at some point in the future. And another plan or another idea that I had was to start a second channel called Salvage Nation Barbados, and just show you some of the more JDM kind of builds and stuff that me and my friends do over there as well. So we've got big plans, big plans coming for Salvage Nation. Trust me, this is just the beginning, man. First year down, this is just the beginning. We got more things coming. But like I said, I am doing this part-time, and I really would like to, I don't know, like to help the channel. I would really like to get you guys to take part. And you know, one of the things that I was trying was the raffle, and the Salvage Nation raffle, we just came to an end on the 31st, which was last Saturday, and we haven't hit the target, so we're gonna have to do an extension. But I just wanted to kind of do some fact finding, ask you guys, like, what is it that, was it too expensive, or you didn't like the car, or what was it that caused you guys not to want to take part in the raffle? Because I was really looking forward to getting that sorted, because all the funds raised from that goes right back into the channel, and trust me, like, it would go a long way. And plus we'll be helping the charity as well. I'll share a little bit more about myself and about everything that we're doing later on. We're about to pull up to the part shop in Raynham, and then we're gonna head back to the garage. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog style. Let me know if there's any type of content that you want to see on the channel, and I'll try to serve it right up. So I'll see you guys back at the garage. Right guys, so I've come back, I've worked away on the BMW, got that out of the way. It's now just gone 5 in the evening. We're still going. Got a customer car that's just come in. It came in a few days ago. I kill sprayed it up, and I'm now gonna reassemble. So check this out. So it had light frontal damage, just nothing major, so it wasn't enough to make an episode out of it. So I'm gonna include it in the vlog. So replaced the front bumper, got a new front bumper on, we sprayed up that bumper. I'm just about to fit the headlight. This is a new headlight that we've bought in. I'm just about to fit the headlight. Then I'm gonna transfer all the bits from that to that and get that on the car. Guys, it's 6:30 in the afternoon. We started this morning at 9 a.m. and we're still going. This is how my day is. Imagine this when I'll go back to work as well. But anyway, back to the BMW. I've finished putting the front end on the car. This 1 Series actually looks quite nice. Check it out. So I've reassembled the front bumper. I've reassembled the light. I've just done the lining up. I just need to put this rubber gasket on, and then everything will be complete on the front end. I just need to put the license plate on and get one more grill for that side, but check it out. But I hope that this is giving you guys a little bit of insight into what I get up to, how I do it, a little bit more about me. Here's the Golf R is sat right here. I'm literally waiting. I can't do any more filming, any more work, because I need to assemble the front end. And to assemble the front end, I need to wait until this pipe. This is the air charge pipe. All the ones that I'm finding, I'm getting it straight. So I've just gone to the main dealer and I'm waiting for them to ship it out to me. And then I can get the front end on the Golf completely together. But like I said, it just takes a lot of time, money, effort, a lot of running around, a lot of driving around. And yeah, I am knackered. So I'm gonna finish off this, take the car to the car wash, and then I'm gonna head home. Hopefully I can make it home for dinner. My girlfriend is always arguing with me for coming home too late, but I have to put in the work, man. So I'll catch you when I'm heading home, and then we'll wrap up the vlog then.
2 hours later.
Guys, everywhere is closed. It's now gone 8 o'clock. It's still the 4th, Wednesday the 4th. It's 8:33, and that's my days. That's how I spend my days. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and you can consider this car complete. Done, 100%. Finito. It's now time to head home. I was meant to be home. I promised my girlfriend I was going to be home by about 6. I'm 2.5 hours over, and you guys know how that goes. Yes, brother. Yeah, man. Nah. Guys, it's now 9 o'clock and I'm home. So this is where we're going to be ending the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something different. Expect more. Tell me what you think of the new plans. Now I'm going to go inside and get some rest. So like I always say, keep it moving. I'll see you in the next one.